Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome into the show. Let's take a look. We are sitting in front of a shop door. Find out right after this why. Alright guys, the reason why we're sitting there in front of the door on a garage or shop, I guess you could say, is I need a grease job done on the truck. Yeah, nothing wrong with the truck. I just need a grease job. I haven't done a grease job on the truck in a month, I think it is. Yeah, around the December 15th or 25th. No, around the 23rd, I think it was, when I got a full service done on the truck. That's the last grease job I've gotten, so it's due for a grease job. It was kind of due last time I was home already, but didn't get around to actually doing it, so I figured they're open. I arranged to deliver at 10 o'clock, right? And I only got 8:41 right now. Here is local time, so I still have over an hour before I have to, get there, and it's only 10 miles away, so shouldn't be that hard to get there. But hopefully they'll have that other truck serviced here in a minute, and then I'll be put in the door. And greasing usually doesn't take very long, so maybe 15 minutes, and I'll have my truck greased, and we'll be out of here. But anyways, let's get the truck greased and start our day, right? I have just gotten unloaded, ladies and gentlemen. Yes indeed. So here we go. We have also just now finally gotten us a reload offer, and I'm very pleased with my reload offer. Yes indeed I am.
In 800 meters, take the entrance to the right.
I will, however, stay in Canada this week because I got me a load out of Mississauga here, basically close to our terminal there, going to Edmonton, Alberta. Yeah, I'm very, very happy about that. I tell you that right now. That makes me happy, happy, happy. Oh yeah. I got enough hours to make it there. It's usually a pretty light load with them loads that I'm hauling there. So that is making my day. I'm
in 200
telling you guys.
Meters, take the entrance to the right on Highway 403 East Toronto.
Yeah, I gotta take the Highway 403 here. I'm gonna go back to the Husky there first, and then I'm gonna go in and have me a steak one more time, guys. Who knows when I'll be back in Toronto, right? So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. Yeah, that's right. I don't know why that guy was looking at me, but hey, whatever. That's the way it is sometimes. Gotta wait till this traffic light will change. Looks like it finally changed. But here we go. I don't think we take this exit here. I think we gotta take the next one here. Now this one could confuse one. Yeah, you gotta take this one here because they're so close together. You have to be very careful you don't take the wrong exit here, right? But anyways, here we are. Hammer down and go. We'll get some good miles today, or this week, or this trip,
in
whatever you want to call it.
Keep to the right on Highway 410, Highway 401,
excited about this load. Because that's about 3,500 kilometers up to Edmonton, so yeah, we will have our work cut out for us, but hey, that's how it goes, I have 41 hours remaining on the time, so I should be able to make it up to Edmonton. Yes, it will be tight, but I can do it. I'm pretty sure I can. If nothing else, I think we left on Tuesday. Tuesday we would start getting hours back again, but they probably want this load in Edmonton for Monday. I actually haven't even looked to see exactly when they want it in Edmonton, but we'll check it out here in a little bit. Alright guys, I got asked to do this. That's how I look. We got us a nice, real nice steak. Look at that. Nice and juicy. That is awesome, guys. We have just gotten our load, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeed we did. It was a preloaded, so we just did a trailer switch up here. Now we're gonna try and get out of Toronto. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna go up here, go up the road up here. I think this is a better way to go than what my GPS wants me to go, so guess what? I'm gonna go that way. That's right. So let's make our way out of Toronto. Wish me luck that I managed to get out of here before the big rush hour. That's my goal. Right now it's 1:30 in the afternoon, so hopefully I can get out of town before that big rush hour hits us. Yeah, it doesn't even feel that heavy now. It says 29,000 in the box, but after holding that 46,000 pound load, I bet you it was, or maybe even 46 and a half. This feels light. Yes, indeed. But anyways, let's get on down out of here. Let's make our way towards Edmonton, guys. With you guys' help, crossing my fingers, we got out of Toronto in no time at all, guys. Yeah, it was pretty good getting out of Toronto today. I guess we timed it just right. I don't think it's that good anymore, but when we got out of there, it was pretty darn good. So here we are. Right now, we have decided, because this is a way lighter load, I have chosen to go Highway 17 this trip. Yeah, it's first of all a little bit shorter. Second of all, well, a lot more scenic. It really is. Especially later on down the road, we will be driving on the, basically beside the lakes a lot. So you never know. We might be flying our drones up there. Who knows? I'm kind of charging my phone right now to keep it a little bit higher on the charge, because it uses quite a bit of juice just to fly the drone. But I was just thinking of something here a few minutes ago, and that is, instead of using my phone to record the audio, because it didn't really line up properly, I might be able to use my my GoPro to record my audio with it, because I know I can, record video and audio with it. So I'll just take the video file out of it and just use the audio. I can definitely use it that way, and I might be able to do that. I actually have a microphone that I can clip onto my shirt, and it's got a little foamy thing on there. Even if there's a slight wind, it would block most of the wind. I might actually give that a try, and then just have the wire run down either behind my shirt or just whatever, and then have the GoPro just sitting in my jacket pocket or something like that. That might actually work. I might give that a try. We'll see. But anyways, just ideas, just trying to give you guys a better view, or entertain you guys a little bit more, right? Because a lot of you guys said that you guys really enjoyed me flying the drone and actually talking at the same time. So, well, I told you guys I'm gonna give that a try, and hopefully I can work something out to where we can do it, right? And that was just something that popped into my head here a few minutes ago, so we might give that a try, and hopefully it'll work good. Might be able to match the audio pretty good with that, Alright guys, we have stopped for the day. Actually, it is the next morning already. I'm just pulling up my weather forecast here. I stopped just on time here last night. I was pulled in there, and then I checked the weather, and it's like Sault Ste. Marie and just past here are getting some ice rain. I'm like, no, I don't need that. So Anyways, according to my GPS, we're in Spanish Ontario or something like that. And so I slept my night here. It's pretty good night and whatever. And wake up this morning, go to check on my emails and all that stuff here on the internet. And guess what? My internet don't work. My Wi-Fi system. So I restart the system and check again. Still don't work. What? Something is wrong here. It worked good last night. I even had LTL service up here, full, you know, for LTL, like 4G, whatever you want to call it. No problem. So still didn't work, so I hit the reset button on the side of the unit. So that resets it to factory settings. I have to enter the factory settings password, which luckily enough is still on the unit. And so I went ahead and that, and it shows that I'm connected and all that. Still not getting internet. I'm like, what is going on? So I called Rogers, because that's the unit. I got that hooked up with Rogers, so I can use that all throughout Canada, right? I call up Rogers, and you know, it's fairly early, so talk to tech support over there, and guess what they're telling me? They're updating their software up there and their whatever, their system. And I guess because they had done that, they because this is a data system, and they have a system on their data thing there that it will cap your internet at 50 bucks. If you go over 50 bucks of data worth usage, it will block you. I'm like, really? It's never done that before, and I've had that now for how long? Probably 2 years, and it's never done that before. So tech support says, well, the office that does the blocking shit, they're not even there yet. I gotta wait another 2 hours before they get there. So I'm like, really? Are you serious? So now I don't even have any internet. Well, I have internet through Verizon, but that only allows me a half a gig per day, so I gotta be careful with that data. But yeah, so now I gotta wait till those people come in that do the blocking bullshit. So I gotta find out why in the world they're blocking me on my data hub here, because that's a 100 gig plan. I'm only at 27 gigs at the moment, and my bill is usually between, like, this last month's bill was $127. The month before was $160, so I never got blocked on it before. And so that gives you an idea right there on how much I pay for internet too. And that's only for my wireless thing there, so I can have, you know, upload videos here in Canada for you guys. And then I got the phone bill yet, right, and all that stuff. That's how expensive it is for me to upload videos for you guys. And no, I can't even do that. They're blocking me. Can you believe it or not? I was hoping they're this weekend they're going to Edmonton. I'm going to be able to upload videos for you. No, that might not even happen. I don't know, man. But anyways, that's enough of my rant for today. We'll get a new day started, and we'll see what happens. Come back and check it out, what happens after this video. Come back tomorrow and see if we got our issue resolved yet. Maybe. If you get your video, if I get this video up even, then maybe you get the chance to see the video tomorrow, right? You never know. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and come back tomorrow and see what happens.